This is f prime x, and we're going to sketch f prime x to be able to make statements about what's happening to f of x. So this is combining skills from Unit 2 with our knowledge of derivatives from Unit 4. So the first thing we should recognize is that the derivative has x-intercepts at x equals 3, x equals -1, and x equals 2. And then we can look at the multiplicity of these factors to determine what's happening there. This has an even multiplicity, so we know we're going to bounce at x equals 3. And then we're going to cross at x equals 1 and -1 and x equals 2. So when we draw this, when we sketch it, we have an x-intercept at -1. Okay, we also have one at 2. We also have one at 3. Okay, what's the end behavior? We have to add up the degrees, or add up the multiplicities to get the degree. 2 plus 1 equals degree 4. So we're going to have up end behavior. So we are starting up. What are we doing at -1 again? We're crossing. Okay, cross. What are we doing at 2? We're crossing again. And then what are we doing at 3? We're bouncing. Okay, so what do we have? We have our function is increasing, then it's decreasing, then it's increasing, and then it bounces, and then it keeps increasing, right? So the function, I'm just going to draw a quick sketch over off to the side here. It's increasing, then it starts decreasing, then it starts increasing again. It goes flat for a second and keeps increasing, right? And this is at x equals -1. Okay, this is at x equals 2, and this is at x equals 3. Again, we're just looking for the sign of the derivative to say what's happening to f. F is increasing, flat, decreasing, flat, increasing, flat, and then it keeps increasing. So it's increasing, flat, decreasing, flat, increasing, flat, and then keeps increasing. Thus, we are done. We can say that x equals -1. X equals -1 is a max. X equals 2 is a min. And then x equals 3 is a shoulder. Okay, that says shoulder, believe it or not. There we go, shoulder. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm just going to stop.